Hi, today I'm going to review a caseable case for Amazon Fire HD10, not the Plus version, HD10 2021 version. So I got it through QVC, the online shopping network, and they were including a free caseable voucher along with the device. So I just wanted to see how the caseable cases are, if they are any good. And I tried to order that. Before I ordered that, I was looking for videos on the caseable cases. I didn't find any, so I'm just trying to show you today. So this is the packaging that the case came in. I'm going to get rid of that, and then this is basically what you get it in. But you have to understand that Caseable at least takes 2 weeks to deliver the case to you. At least with the free coupon, it took me 2 weeks. So this is a caseable case. I have included the tablet inside already. You see that there are the cutouts for the speakers are spot on, and all the other functionalities, the cutouts are spot on. And look at this. There is a little bit of space here too. There's really good grip. I like this design. And if you don't know what it is, it's the carpet from The Shining picture. Okay, and you can actually there is a magnet right here, so you can put it in like this, and you can actually use it as a stand for your tablet. Sorry, I'm using it single-handedly. So the tablet looks pretty good. It fits pretty well, and as you have seen, there is a magnet included that will kind of make a makeshift case. And if you have any other questions on this tablet, let me know. But kudos for QVC. I think HSN also does that for giving this free along with the tablet. Again, when you open a tablet from QVC, look for the code because it's in the packaging. It's on a small postcard looking card, and you just use this when you order from Caseable, and you will get charged nothing, including shipping. Okay, so that's the story of my Caseable voucher with my Amazon Fire HD10 2021 32 GB version.